Hi, welcome to Healthtime 3. Today we are going to talk about coughing. A cough is a loud, forceful, often repetitive release of air from the lungs. Coughing is a reflex action. This means it happens without you thinking about it, in response to some kind of stimulus. Before you cough, there is a sharp intake of breath, and your voice box then closes, which means you cannot speak. The abdominal muscles then contract, forcing air out of your lungs. The result is a high-speed blast of air that clears the throat of any germs, dust, or excess mucus. Coughing is therefore a vital part of your body's defense systems. Your airways are normally sterile. If dirt and germs get into your lungs, they may become a breeding ground for bacteria and lead to serious problems such as pneumonia. Coughing is usually a sign that there is something in the airways that should not be there. This can be caused by inhaling dust or when food goes down the wrong way. Coughing may also be a sign that an infection in the lungs is making the airways produce phlegm. Phlegm is a sticky substance that sometimes comes out of your mouth when you cough. Phlegm is usually clear or white. If phlegm is yellow, this may be a sign of a more serious problem, such as asthma or pneumonia. Pneumonia is a condition in which the parts of your lungs that absorb oxygen become inflamed and flooded. Asthma is a condition in which the inside walls of your airways become swollen. Although coughing can be a troubling symptom, it is your body's way of healing. Here are some tips for soothing a cough. If you have a dry, tickling cough, try cough drops or some hard candy. Never give these to a child under 3, however, as this can lead to choking. Also, try taking a steamy shower, as this adds moisture to the air and can soothe the dry throat. And of course, drink lots of liquid. Fluids help thin out the mucus in your throat and make it easier to cough up. Call a doctor immediately if you have any of the following symptoms. A violent cough that begins suddenly for no apparent reason. Cough that produces blood. A high-pitched sound when inhaling. Or thick, yellowish-green, foul-smelling phlegm. Also call a doctor if there is a cough in an infant under 3 months old. In emergency cases, the doctor will first stabilize the patient and then ask him questions about his other symptoms in order to diagnose the problem. There are, of course, ways in which you can avoid common causes of coughing. First of all, do not smoke. Also, avoid secondhand smoke, as this can be as bad as if you had a cigarette in your mouth yourself. Know what your allergies are so that you can avoid them. And as usual, wash your hands often to keep away infectious bacteria and viruses. Okay, here's a recap of some of the things I spoke about today. A cough is a forceful release of air from the lungs. Coughing is a reflex action. This means that your body does it without you consciously thinking about it. Coughing clears the throat of dust and germs. It can therefore help protect your body from infection. Call your doctor if your cough is violent or high-pitched. Also call a doctor if there is a cough in an infant under 3 months old. If you cough up blood, call the doctor immediately. This can be a sign of a serious problem. Stay away from cigarette smoke. Practicing good hygiene can help keep away infectious bacteria that can make you cough. Well, that's it for today. I'll see you again soon.